So our video generation is done. So you will see here is a download button. If you want to generate unlimited video using AI, this video is for you. Now I will show you how you can generate unlimited video using AI. Also I will show you how you can download it without copyright. Okay, let's start. So first of all you have to come to Google and you can search this Symphony Creative Studio and you will find this TikTok studio. Just click on it and you will come here in the home page. So you have to create an account. So I already created an account and I will show you how you can do it easily. Okay, so first of all let me show you how you can generate videos. So after login, just come here, you will see generation and here is video generation. Just click here and you will see I already created a video. After creating an account you will get 1000 credits. I created a 5 seconds video, that's why they cut 5 credits. That's how these credits works. So credit costing is depends on your video size. Here you can see it's 10 second also here and 12 seconds. So if you like make a 10 seconds video, then it will cut like 10 credits. So okay, let's create a video. So here I am just pasting my prompt. Here you can see reference to video. Here you can use image to video, text to video, and you can also generate image. Okay, so I'm going to do text to video. I'm pasting the prompt again, and here you can see you can select this 5 second or 10 seconds. I'm going to select the 5 seconds, then just click here. You can see it will cost 5 credits. So our video generation is done. So you will see here is a download button. So you can just click this download button and it will be downloaded. So you can see our video is here, but here you can see it's like written AI generated. So how you can download it without copyright, let me show you. So I have IDM. So if you have IDM you can download it without copyright. So I am refreshing it again. So you can just click here and you will see. So you can see this is the video without copyright. Here you can see there is no copyright. So this is how you can download it without copyright. So suppose you already spent like 1000 credits, now you have no credits. So how you will generate this video again? So just to do one thing, you don't need like lots of Gmail. I will show you how you can do it. Just I am going to log out from this account and I am going a private window and going to temp mail. So you have to come to this temp mail and here you will get a temporary email. So this is how we will create an account and we will get 1000 credits. So just copy this and here just login. Click login and you will see sign up. Just click here and put your email. So you need to put password. Okay, then just click here and sign up. So you'll need to select here like these two objects are same, just confirm. Okay, now go to email and you will see here is a verification code. Need to copy and paste it here. You can see our account is ready and here you can see we have now 1000 credits. So this is how you can generate unlimited videos with using this site. I hope this video will be helpful. Let's see you in the next video. Thanks.